Hey guys! The lighting just got like yellow, so cool. Anyways, so sorry if my music is a little loud. Today, I'm gonna do this little sit down video. I have no idea what I'm doing. My hair's a mess. I'm gonna do a little makeup, like, kind of just like what I would do if I had something to do during the day, if that makes sense. So not like too minimal, but not like, oh, like let's go out and party. So basically this video, like I have no idea what I'm doing. Like I do not know how to do makeup at all. So this video is literally going to be me laughing at myself because this is actually what I do when I do my makeups. So also like it's at a weird angle because my lens that I'm using is, this lens is for like wide angle stuff because I didn't want it to be too close, and my other lenses are for like photography. Alright, so first I put this on because I'm gonna like put more on. But this is like the Bare Minerals Prime Time primer, and this one is the BB cream one. And right now I'm using the color Light, but I like this because it has SPF 30, which is good to keep your face not bad from the sun, not keep the UV rays out of your skin. There we go, Megan. Anyways, so I'm going to put a little bit more of that on, and I just use this like gross little beauty blender. So, gotta load up on that BB cream. And this mirror is also like down here because my mirror, we're just not cooperating today, so it's fine. That's good. Okay, so I did 2 layers of that, and I'm going to let that sit for a second. Then we are going to load up on the concealer because nobody's perfect, so we got to look like we are. Am I right, ladies? Just kidding. You do you. Okay. Honestly, like I'm not even going to know if this is all blended in because the lighting is weird, and I chose an awful time to do this. So, oh well. Alright, so I use like multiple different concealers because they all do different things. So, first, I recently these are all Bare Minerals. So these are, let me just cover my face. These are 3 different kinds of concealers, which I'll talk about in a second. Anyways, so I guess like everyone uses this. Oh, it's on both sides. It's the, why am I holding it like that? It's the Age Rewind Maybelline. Oh, one side is not in English, that's why. One side, just kidding. It's like a dark circle eraser. So like everyone uses this, and my best friend uses this. And everyone's like, oh my god, it's so good, everyone should use it. So I started to use it because if everyone uses it, it must be good, right? That only makes sense. But I'm still like kind of trying to figure it out because in all seriousness, I don't know what I'm doing. And I do use a bunch of different concealer, but I put it all on and then I rub it in. I blend it in. Wow. I really clearly know what I'm talking about. That's a lot of concealer. And I'm literally, fun fact, I'm not even doing anything after this, so just gonna walk around my house and then take it all off. And then I use, hold on, one moment please. So then I'm using this Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer in the shade Fair. Oh, and this other one was medium. Oh, maybe I should put it on all the way so it doesn't dry out. Good idea, Megan. Okay. So this is what this one looks like. It's the it's upside down. It's the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer in the shade Fair. Yeah. So I use that, and I put that like up here and then down my nose and then right there. So kind of like, my nose is literally so itchy. So kind of like where you would highlight, I guess. I think I got some of that. Fun. And then I recently started to use this one, and it's the Bare Minerals Blemish Ready Concealer, and this one is in the shade Light. So right now, like, it just started to be summer, kind of, because obviously it's May. So, like, all my colors are light. But in the summer, I don't really wear makeup, so that's, like, why, I guess. But when I put makeup on in the summer, it doesn't match. Because I'm not this light in the summer. So basically, this one, I kind of just put on all my pimples. Like, I don't really put it anywhere else, which would make sense because it's called Blemish Ready. And supposedly, according to Bare Minerals, the woman told me that this is supposed to help your pimples. It's supposed to have something in it that, like, helps acne. I don't know. I don't use it that often to, like, know that it helps or not. And then this one is an OG. Okay, this one is the first concealer I got with my, like, big kit. And I use the Max Coverage Concealer Brush. And it's just the regular Bare Minerals Correcting Concealer. And this also has SPF in it. And this one is light. Okay. This one, that opened. There's, like, nothing in it. This one is light 2. Like the number 2. Because there's, I don't know. Anyways. Then I kind of just put this one, like, other places. And I put it mostly, like, on my chin. This is, like, wow. It's all, like, drying because... Oh, and then I put this one, like, in the crease of my nose. Because my nose gets really red. So basically, that's all I do. And then I go back in with my beauty blender. It's literally just like a sponge, yeah. And then I blend that on. Alright, so that is all blended in. My eyes, like underneath my eyes, always look like wicked creased. So I kind of just get over that because there's nothing I can do about it. Anyways, so I blend that all in. Throughout doing my makeup, I use Q-tips and take it off of my eyebrows because I don't like when it gets in my eyebrows. Next, everyone does this differently. Like, I know people that do their eyebrows and then do everything, but I kind of do everything and then I do, like, my eyebrows. So, then I go in, I don't want to put that on the ground. Okay. So then I go in with my Bare Minerals Matte Foundation. So I'm going to use my Bare Minerals Matte Foundation. It looks like this. And it's like a loose powder in the color Fair. And I mix that with this Bare Radiance All Over Face color. And this is just like a one kind of thing. And it comes in like a smaller container. Okay, so I just put it all in the cap. And then I don't normally use this brush, so hopefully it doesn't have anything on it. So I'm just going to put it all in the brush. I should be using like a nice big poofy brush, but we're not. I want like the big poofy brush that, it's their blush brush that Real Techniques has. I use this little e.l.f. brush. It's a concealer brush, but I use it for highlighter. And I use the e.l.f. highlighter too. And I just put it on the end of my nose. Okay, so I did that. And then, wow, cringy. Fun fact, this is my e.l.f. It's a lash and brow brush wand. I've never brushed my lash with it. I guess it works. That's good to know. Probably look better. I've been trying to grow out my eyebrows to make them thicker because they were really thin. They were thick in high school, and then I went to college and I tried to like pluck my eyebrows because they were really messy and they were really thick at the time, and I plucked something out of the middle of my eyebrow, and then I just plucked the rest of it and they were so thin, like it was so bad. This whole video is because so if you guys didn't know, Influenster is an app that you take these things, you make a profile and you take these things called snaps, and they're kind of like little, not quizzes, but just questionnaires. And so what you do is you answer these questions about products that you've used, So say for makeup, it'll say, what brands of foundation have you used? And you click on all the brands that you've used, and if it's not there, you can look it up. And then you find which ones you've used, and even like it gets so specific to like colors and everything. And it's not just makeup, so it's makeup, hair products, clothes, food, accessories, literally everything. So I went and did one, and then you go, and basically it's you're reviewing these products that you've used, and so you give it like 1 to 5 stars, and you don't have to review everything. So you give it all these stars, and then you write like a little, it's kind of like a tweet-sized review about each product that you've used, and then that goes on your profile to see what products you've used, and you can link, like, I've linked YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. You can link blogs, websites, Tumblr, literally like so many different things, and it gets you points, and the points add up, and you get these things called Vox boxes. And so I recently, just kidding, this is like a month ago, I just have been so busy. So I got this Vox box, and this one is called, it's the Kat Von D To Each Your Own Brow, which is really exciting because I, like, doing my eyebrows is my favorite part of doing my makeup, even though I don't know how to do it. This one is a new product, and so they wanted people to test it. And so it's the new Pomade Pencil and Powder. Basically, I'm just like testing this product out, and then I'm going to go review it on Influencer and on Sephora where they sell it. And so it comes in this little box. This is the actual pomade itself, and then this is the pencil. And I don't really know what it means, but it says number 70. I don't really know what that means. And right on the packaging, it says vegan, and it's cruelty-free, which I really like because obviously like a lot of makeup is used on animals, and that's like a big thing for me, is knowing that it's cruelty-free. And literally the thing is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So it looks like that, and then you open it, and it's just like a pomade. And I honestly like have no idea what I'm doing. So this is the brush, and I really honestly like don't know. Okay. And I'm listening to my I think it's my Jammin', that's what it's called, Jammin' playlist on Spotify. So I'll put my Spotify down below because I use Spotify for literally everything. Don't judge me because I really don't know what I'm doing, and I don't really care because I'm not going anywhere. So I feel like this is like so light, but like I guess it's the same color as that. I don't know. This is like so defining. So that's one eyebrow. It looks like so thick. Wow. I've never used anything like this before. And I really like am not sure how I like it. Like I like it, but it's definitely something you have to like know how to use, I feel like. So it's definitely going to take some practice because I don't think it looks bad, but I really don't know what I'm doing. So like I like it better than when I fill it in with my other stuff that I have. It looks more natural. And so now I'm going to do the other side and see how I like it. And this side like hasn't grown in as much, so it's going to be like a little weirder. This eyebrow looks so thick. Wow. That was a fail. But that's okay, because I don't know what I'm doing, so it's fine. I really don't like my left eyebrow at all. Fun fact. It really bothers me. And it has literally my whole life. Like I can't stand my left eyebrow. Because it doesn't ever cooperate. Ever. It definitely looks different. And then normally when I do, like, but I literally use so little, and this thing has so much stuff in it. So this color is medium brown. I have dark hair, and it is. And normally what I do, like, I don't know if I should do this, but I normally go in and like brush my brows again to kind of like blend it and make it look a little more natural, so my hairs aren't like, I'm literally talking so fast, so my hairs aren't like sticking straight down like when I did it. So they kind of look like, I feel like I don't normally do a lot of my eyebrows. I usually just use this pencil and kind of like fill them in a little bit. So it is kind of more for this look, I guess, more than I need. But some people are really into eyebrows, which is fine. So I don't really mind them. Like I kind of like them actually. And that's the last thing I do. And then normally, this is my other fun fact for this video. Normally, I curl my eyelashes with this eyelash color that like broke, and I've literally had this for so long. And then I use mascara. But I have like a lot of problems with my eyes, and I don't like, I love to put on mascara, but I don't like how my eyes don't stay curled, my eyelashes don't stay curled, and then they look weird, and the mascara always just goes in my eyes, and it's just a big mess. So recently I went home, and in January, I think, and sometime in the winter, I met this woman who owns this lashing company on Cape, and I was like, I wanted to get eyelash extensions for like 2 years, but I knew like with my problems that I have with my eyes, it probably wasn't a great idea, so I kind of like put it off. And then I met this woman who doesn't just do extensions, she does eyelash. It's called a lift and a tint, and I guess you can, like, you don't have to tint them, but I did the lift and the tint, and I absolutely love it. I did it a week ago today. And what she did was she like permanently curled my eyelashes, and it lasts for 4 to 8 weeks. And so like I could still put mascara on, but I don't feel like I need to because they're already more than like what I normally do. Because a lot of the times I will put makeup on and I literally can't talk today, and then not wear mascara. So I'm not doing my eyelashes because of that. So like, you can't, I don't know, like I feel like if you know me, you can tell that they look different. Like everyone's like, oh, you look like you're wearing makeup, but I'm not, which is the whole point. So I don't really have to do anything to them until they start to like fade, and then you just go and get them done again. Like I like them, they look great, and honestly, like if you want to do something like this or want to get extensions, I'm going to link her Instagram down below because the experience was amazing. Like she is one of the best people I've ever talked to. She's so sweet, like just is so welcoming and like personal with you, and her lash studio is, oh my god, it's so cute. I can't even deal. And her dog just sat there and hung out, and it was so cute. Different because I don't normally wear makeup like this, but thanks for watching, and you know, like, comment, subscribe. I do a lot of vlogs, and hopefully I'll be doing more like fun videos, whether they're sit down or not. I'm going to Vermont in June, so that's a lot of fun. And definitely check out Influenster. I'll link I'll link the app, or I'll just put Influencer down below and all my socials down there and my Spotify. So go check those out. And I'm also going to put, it's called RJ's Beauty, who did my lashes. Her name's Rebecca, and she's amazing. I'm going to put her Instagram and her links and everything down below too. So you can go check those out. And subscribe if you want to see more videos. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.